Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making Mexican wedding cookies, which are also considered snowball cookies. And they're one of the easiest cookies you'll ever make. There's very few ingredients. They're so good. I always make them at Christmas time every year. They're one of my personal favorites. So I will put a recipe link in the description. So let's get started. I've got 2 sticks of butter here, and I'm just going to cream the butter for a minute here. Okay, so I creamed the butter for a minute there, and now I'm going to add my powdered sugar. I've got 3/4 cup of powdered sugar here, and I'm going to let this cream for a couple minutes. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and cream it for another minute or so. I'm going to put the flour in. We need 2 cups. I'm going to put it in a 1/2 cup at a time, and I'm going to sift it in there so it'll stay nice and fluffy. So I'm just going to put it in a 1/2 cup at a time and mix it. So the dough gets really thick. So by the time it's time to put the pecans in, which I have right here, 3/4 cup, I just mix those by hand. Okay, so what I like to do so they all come out about the same size is I use a cookie scoop, and I use the scoop to determine the size, and then I throw them on here, and then after I get them all thrown down here, then I'm going to roll them so that they're more, perfectly round so that they look nice. Okay, so these are all ready to go in the oven. I got them all onto one sheet pan here, and they're going to go at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. And when they come out, we're going to let them cool for just a little bit, and then we're going to roll them in powdered sugar. Okay, so our cookies came out of the oven, and I let them cool for a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about a cup of powdered sugar into a plastic bag. Okay, so now I'm just going to toss them around here in the sugar. Gonna dump them out on here. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for cooking with me, or baking with me I should say, and I hope to see you on one of my other videos. Take care.